You a couch potato? Start being gym potato. Hello guys, how are you? Getting into exercise might feel a bit overwhelming if you're not used to it. But don't worry, with the right mindset and a plan that suits you, anyone can make fitness part of their routine. In today's video, we're going to talk about effects of working out on mental and overall health, tips on how to start, and some exercises that doesn't need equipment and you can easily do them at home. What are some effects of working out on mental health? Number 1. Exercise enhances the quality of your sleep, resulting in better management of your mood by reducing feelings of irritability or anxiety. Number 2. Engaging in regular physical activity instills a sense of empowerment, equipping you with effective coping mechanisms to handle life's challenges while boosting your confidence in your ability. Number 3. Reaching milestones in your exercise routine triggers a sense of accomplishment and positivity, improving your overall mood and perception of yourself. Number 4. Physical activity serves as a healthy distraction from negative thoughts or stressors, offering an opportunity to focus on enjoyable activities and explore new interests. Number 5. Exercising in the company of others fosters a sense of community and provides emotional support, enhancing your overall well-being through social interactions. Number 6. Movement stimulates circulation and oxygen flow, resulting in increased alertness and vitality, helping you more energetic throughout the day. Number 7. Physical exertion provides a constructive outlet for pent-up emotions, allowing you to release tension and alleviate stress in a healthy manner. Number 8. Engaging in exercise routines promotes relaxation by relieving muscle tension, creating a physical and mental state of calmness and tranquility. Some benefits of working out are: Number 1. Working out helps with weight management. Not moving too much can make you gain weight and become obese, which can cause health problems. Exercise can help you control your weight by using up energy. Your body uses energy in 3 main ways: digesting food, exercising, and doing basic body functions like breathing and heartbeats. Exercising regularly can speed up your metabolism, burn more calories, and help you keep your weight in check. Number 2. Working out has benefits for your muscles and bones. Regular exercise is crucial for building and preserving strong muscles and bones, especially as you get older. It helps counteract muscle loss, maintaining strength, and reduce the risk of injuries. Additionally, exercise boosts bone density, potentially preventing osteoporosis. Number 3. Working out contributes to skin health. Oxidative stress affects skin health by damaging cells. Regular, moderate exercise may counteract this stress, potentially delaying skin aging, preventing psoriasis, and improving venous leg occlures. Now, when starting your workout routine, it's important to take a few factors into account. Number 1. Make sure you're healthy. Before jumping into an exercise routine, it's crucial to see your doctor first, especially if you're new to intense workouts. This checkup can catch any health issues that might make exercising risky. Plus, it helps you and your trainer, if you have one, craft a workout plan that suits your body and health needs. Number 2. Create a plan and set achievable goals. When you commit to regular exercise, make a plan with achievable steps and goals. Begin with easy steps and gradually progress as your fitness improves. For instance, if your aim is to complete a 5-kilometer run, start with shorter runs and gradually increase the distance. Setting small, attainable goals boosts your chances of success and keeps you motivated throughout your journey. Number 3. Turn exercise into a habit by incorporating it into your routine. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise success. Making it a habit by incorporating it regularly into your routine can help ensure you stick with it long term. Setting a schedule or exercising at the same time each day can also help reinforce your routine. For instance, you might choose to work out immediately after work or first thing in the morning, selecting a time that suits you the best. Hey there! By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest workouts, tips, and motivational content to keep you pumped and pushing toward your fitness goals. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and let's crush it together! Now, I'm gonna give you some workouts to start with. This workout focuses on the hips, shoulders, and spine, targeting them from the bottom up. You have the option to mix up the exercises as you like. Take breaks when necessary, but aim to build up to doing them continuously. As you advance, consider incorporating light weights, but prioritize mastering the movement initially. It's important to feel secure and build strength over time to prevent potential issues. Begin with dynamic warm-ups like jogging or marching in place, then complete 2 1-minute rounds of the following exercises: lunges, squats, glute bridges, pointers, YTWL formation. To explain these, squats and lunges improve hip mobility and strengthen the lower body, including the legs, hips, and spine. Both exercises are essential for overall muscle balance and function. The spine has many small joints that need to stay mobile for proper function. Train its major movements: forward, backward, side to side, and twisting, with pointers and bridgers. The YTW routine, which moves the shoulders in 4 different ways, helps to strengthen often neglected muscles important for your everyday tasks. To summarize, starting to exercise means thinking about your health and setting goals. Making exercise a regular habit helps you stay on track and see results over time. When you're working out, it's important to focus on different parts of your body, like your hips, shoulders, and your spine, to get stronger and move better overall. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for being with us up until the end of this video. Let's keep this fitness party going strong. Subscribe, hit the like button, and share your journey in the comments below. Together, we'll sweat, smile, and share our ways with each other for a greater cause. Until next time, stay awesome and keep moving. Goodbye!